In this type of non-verbal reasoning, you are given 3 question figures. You must decide how the second figure is related to the first figure. After these, there is a third figure, and then 5 more figures. Decide which of the 5 figures goes with the third one to make a pair, like the first 2. Solving figure analogies. We will use snaps to find the relationship between the first 2 figures and then apply this relationship to the next pair of figures. Snaps stands for S. Shape. How the shapes change. N is number. Does the number of shapes or sides change? A. Angle. Through how many degrees does the shape turn? P. Position. How does the position of the shape change? S. Size. How does the size of a shape change? S. Shading. Is there any change in the shading or colour of the shapes? Examples. Number 1. On the left of each of the rows below are 2 shapes with an arrow between them. Decide how the second is related to the first. After these, there is a third shape, then an arrow, and then 5 more shapes. Decide which of the 5 shapes goes with the third one to make a pair, like the 2 on the left. Apply snaps to the first 2 figures. S. Shape does not change. N. Number of shapes does not change. A. Angle. The shape rotates through 45 degrees anti-clockwise. In D, the shape stays the same, so we can eliminate D. In E, the shape has rotated 135 degrees clockwise. We can eliminate E. P. Position of the L shape changed. It moved to the other side of the triangle. We can eliminate A. S. Size of the shape does not change. S. Shading. The circle changes colour. In B, the circle has the same colour, so we can eliminate B. The correct answer is C. Number 2. On the left of each of the rows below are 2 shapes with an arrow between them. Decide how the second is related to the first. After these, there is a third shape, then an arrow, and then 5 more shapes. Decide which of the 5 shapes goes with the third one to make a pair like the 2 on the left. S. Shape. Outer shape is halved. If the square is halved, it must form a rectangle. We can eliminate A and D. N. Number. Here is no change in the number of shapes or sides. A. Angle. Inner shape rotates through 45 degrees. P is position. Inner shape moves to the outside of the outer shape. We can eliminate B because a rectangle has been moved. S. Size. Inner shape becomes smaller. S. Shading. Colours are inverted in both shapes. We can eliminate C because the square must be white. The correct answer is E.